Hey everybody, Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I hope you all had a good weekend. It is Thanksgiving week. Are we excited? I'm excited about that turkey with my family. Heck yeah. I will be uploading this video with some Nomad internet link below in the video description. Starlink is not working at all for me. I uploaded my last video with Nomad internet. This one will be just the same. Real quick before we get into today's video, I'm going to do some meal prep while I'm plugged in and I have air conditioning, trying something new with my chicken. Throw it on the ground. Still going with the Walmart version, great value, boneless, skinless chicken breasts there. I thawed some out 2 days ago, so I got some right there in the fridge to pull out. Let's get my extended table set up. Heck yeah. Upgraded my George Foreman grill here to a, these come out and you can put them right into the dishwasher. How convenient is that when you're at an RV park with full hookups, and it's just more convenient. So right there like that. This is just the most convenient place to do it because it's a really short plug on these and I got an outlet right there. So go ahead and preheat this guy, throw on some cooking spray here, and let this guy warm up. There we go, we got the green light. Let me put a little bit more cooking spray on there just to make sure. And let me wash my hands here real quick. Salt on there, and some onion powder, and some lemon pepper, some garlic salt, and some Papa's Kitchen, yeah, seasoning. I'll let that go for a little bit. Sliced carrots here, and we'll divvy this can up into 4 even portions here. I like it this way because you don't have to cook it. You have to cook the carrots. They're already good to go. A couple more in there. There we go. All right, how we looking here? I'm gonna flip them over. Put them this way. The fork will come out. Next time I do this though, I'm gonna do it outside on a nice day. Just bring an extension cord out or put my little table right up next to the outlet on the outside of the RV. That way we're not getting the steam and humidity of the grill. Don't get me wrong, I stepped outside and came back in. It smells amazing in here right now, but not necessary to cook inside on a nice sunny day, you know?
Man, it's not nice to tease a kitty either, Dad. I like chickens. I like my chickens. Man, share some chickens, man.
All right, check temperature, and we're at 167. We've got to get to 165, so I'm gonna keep these over to cool. In the meantime, I'll respray this and get some more chicken on there while we prepare. That's a big piece, so she'll cook. Then I'll kind of cut up some of these into strips so that I can portion them better. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. Wish you had smell-o-vision. I'll start portioning it into here, like that. And then I'll probably eat one of these tonight, right? So I'll eat this one, cool this one. When we get done with the other chicken breast, I'll portion it into this, put it in the fridge. Is that a kitty piece? You want that one? Terry, you want some chicken? You better eat it. Opie's gonna steal it. Hey, this is Tara's. Dude, you need to hurry. Really? Dude? Lady? All right, good to go. Gonna eat this one right now. Gosh, it smells good in my RV. The rest of these going into the fridge. Yep. Excellent. I poured out the grease tray and I'll wipe it down one more time. We'll wait for the grill to cool down here. Be interesting to see how well my dishwasher does with that. All right, and while I'm loading up my little handy dandy little portable dishwasher by habit here in the RV, I've had a lot of people in previous videos when they seen this or heard me talk about it and using it, basically saying, Eric, that's such a waste for one person. Why would one person need a portable dishwasher? It makes no sense. You're so wrong though. It makes perfect sense for one person. It makes no sense for more than one person. What do I mean by that? Well, think about it. If you had 4 people, you're gonna fill this up every single day and have to do a load of dishes every single day. How inconvenient is that? For one person, can you imagine just cleaning a little bit of stuff by hand every day versus once a week for one person? Okay, this says top rack only. Well, I do have a top rack. That's cool. So my theory is that on a usual day where I'm not cooking a bunch of, you know, chicken for prep meals and stuff like that, I'm gonna load this thing up and then wait. Now, for today's demonstration, I'm not gonna wait because I'm plugged into power. I have full hookups here at the campground, which means water, electric, septic, and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it today before I leave tomorrow, but I didn't have to because I'm certainly not gonna fill up this little dishwasher. It is perfect for one person. Let's say this is the most stuff I'm gonna do, right? Now, I close this, I walk away, I'm done until tomorrow where I cook more and put more in the, isn't that right, Opie? This is the best, right? Am I right though? I'm right. This is the best invention for one person. It is perfect for one person. I was wasting so much water every single night from the kitchen sink right here to hand wash just a few dishes, where now I only wash about once a week. And again, if it were not for unlimited, I would not be washing tonight. But are these ready? These are ready. And I want you to get a real good look at these guys. They are caked with grease and slime and chicken debris.
Man, I want to lick it.
No, you don't get to. I already gave you some chicken. All right, and as Bubbles would say, greasy. Will it fit right there? Perfect. If this weren't my only load, I could obviously space this out and put a lot more stuff in here. Actually, I got a coffee cup. Got 2 coffee cups. Got my Splash Mountain coffee cup and my Don't Be a Tater Hater coffee cup. All right, let's close her up. Let's add some spooge here. Yes, I did switch over to the liquid kind because I think those packets were just too much. You know, those are for a regular size dishwasher. This way I can actually put the right amount of detergent in there. Yeah. Add some hot water here. Make sure to point out how cute and precious that Opie is. Him's the goods boys. Yeah, he is. He's a good boy. All right, and give her a little bit of that nice hot liquid encouragement there till she beeps. Yep, she beeped. That means she's ready. Tell her to get going on a normal speed here. Yeah? And let the magic begin. Eric, that makes no sense for one person. Now the hard part. Do nothing. And don't get my hands dirty. And instead, enjoy a local Lone Star beer. You can only get these in Texas, guys. This is the blue can, which means it's the Texas light version of the Lone Star. I've never tried the light version. I've tried the red cans. Let's go for this. Wow. It's not better than a Rainier, obviously, because Rainier is a full-flavored beer, but Rainier's going away. Texas ain't going away. Yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. All right, just check back. We only got 4 minutes left till the cycle's done, and then it'll start heating. We're gonna check it here in 4 minutes, though. At least the water looks really clear. Yeah. Ah, screw it, I can't wait. Woo-wee, look at that steam. Look at that steam. Let's pull it all the way out here. Holy moly! That is really warm, too. Eric, here's your hot plate. Okay, that was really dumb. How about you just let it go, Eric? Jeepers creepers. Ow. Opie, I let Tara pick last movie. She picked Nightmare Before Christmas. What do you want to watch, Opie? What do you want to watch? Opie, it's your turn to pick. Here. I'll let you pick. Here's your paw. There you go. Which one? Which one? Elf? That's a good pick. What a good pick. You're gonna love Elf. It's your first time? Okay. Aw, yeah. All right, guys. Opie and Tara and I will see you in 2 days on Wednesday. Y'all be well. Back on the road soon.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Thanks, Mr. Normal.